Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well and you're staying on your health journey. As many of you know from my past videos, this girl has a sweet tooth, but I try to make everything myself. Of course, I indulge. Everybody needs to indulge once in a while. But when you make things yourself, then you can control the sugar, the fat, the calories, and make healthier versions of all your favorite recipes. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a gluten-free and a low-fat chocolate chip muffin. Okay, how does that sound? Of course, my recipes are versatile. All my ingredients and directions are under each video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell option so you don't miss any of my newest videos. And of course, share. I love when you comment. So please share if you've changed it up or you keep it the same, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to show you that everything is all in my Cuisinart. You throw everything in. And I love stuff like that because it just makes life easy. And of course, you're going to want to make it, right? Because we like things that are quick, easy, and of course, my favorite word, delicious. So first of all, preheat your oven, to 350 degrees. My oven just went off. That is too funny. And make sure you get your muffins trays sprayed because we don't like stickage, okay? I mean, of course, you can line them too. That's the way to start it. Okay, let's get started. I have my Cuisinart, and like I said, I have my muffin trays that I've sprayed well. And if you have liners, you can use liners. The first thing we're going to do is add 2 extra large eggs to the Cuisinart. Everything we're going to throw in here, okay? And remember, all my recipes are written underneath each video. Now I'm going to throw 3 medium-sized bananas. This one is really, really ripe, which is great because the riper, the better, and the sweeter, right? I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of some vanilla that I have here. And you can see I'm putting in my wet ingredients. And this is a 1/4 cup of some sugar-free syrup. And if you want to use whatever sugar substitute you want, but I really love the Joseph's, and I'm going to show you the Joseph syrup, okay? Oh, and the other thing I'm going to add is a 1/4 cup of I Can't Believe It's Not butter, all right? And we're going to just put on my Cuisinart, and we're going to just pulse this to mash it all up. And not while you're doing this, before you can get everything else ready. So I have, let's see if it's ready now. I think it should be perfect. It's nice and blended. Okay. And now I have 2 cups of whatever oatmeal you want with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I just got that already, and we're just going to throw that in. And the other thing I'm going to add in is actually 3 tablespoons of my favorite PB2 powder. And if you want to use some regular peanut butter, you can do that as well. And that's basically most of the ingredients. Okay, and we're just going to mix that all up. You can see how fast this is. All right. Just going to take that off. Now, the other thing you can add in are some craisins, some chocolate chips. I'm going to add the chocolate chips in later, but I'm adding some craisins in now. And you can find the ones that are less sugar. If you want, it's optional. If you want to add other fruit, you can. But I have my chocolate chips ready to add on top. So I'm just going to take this off, take out the blade, all right, and I want to make sure I get all my ingredients. And then I usually take about a 1/4 cup my quarter cup to fill each one of my muffin trays, okay? And then I add the, actually I had the Lily's, let me just show you the Lily's chocolate chips, milk chocolate or white chocolate. I also have the Sensado chocolate chips, and it's about, I think about a half a cup. So you can decide how many. I like to just sprinkle a few on top. And I'm going to finish this. They're going to be super delicious. So I'm going to finish it, put them in my oven, and then I'll show you the end results that are so yummy and delicious. You're going to see. I'll be back. So here they are. I used the quarter cupper to measure out all 12 of my beautiful muffins, and I just sprinkled the chocolate chips on top. Again, it's optional. If you're not into chocolate chips, you could add some nuts or seeds, of course. It's versatile, all right? And I'm gonna pop them in my oven right now. And then I will show you, like I said, what they look like. And then I'm gonna time it for about 25 minutes. Okay, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so here are my muffins. I took them out of the oven about 10-15 minutes ago. I did bake them for about 20 minutes, but every oven, you know, can be different, the temperature. So check them after about 20 minutes. They might take 25 minutes. Take a toothpick or a wooden skewer and test them, and then let them cool down before you take a butter knife, and then you just simply just go around the sides and take them out. Okay, look at how yummy they look, nice and brown, and they're a nice sized muffin. And I'm back with my delicious muffin that I'm going to enjoy. This is so delicious. You can have it for a breakfast with something else, of course. You can have one of my smoothies or some yogurt. If you're in a hurry on the go, when you're on a walk, okay, to take to work, or even if you go to the mall, they're great as a dessert to bring to friends. Again, before or after a workout, a snack, something healthy. Keep them in a sealed container in your fridge. They'll stay longer, or you can freeze them. And then you can just either put them in the oven for a couple of minutes, or just microwave them, or just let them thaw out. And they're super moist and yummy. So good. If you want, you can add some butter. Don't need anything, or some cream cheese. I like to do that too. So I hope you enjoy these delicious gluten-free muffins. And please tell me what you think. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, share my channel, ring the bell option so you don't miss any of my new videos. I'm going to put this down. And I hope you continue to check out all my other recipes, lots and lots of tips and strategies to help you on your health journey as well. Bye for now. Love you guys.